In today's video, we'll be discussing about priority scheduling, and that to the preemptive version of it. So what does preemptive say? That we can switch between the processes in middle of the execution. So let's see this question. So priorities, in that 0 is set as the highest priority and the 5 is set as the lowest priority. So let's look at this question. So P0, P1, P2 and P3 are the three processes. So when we have arrival time 0, in the ready queue we have only one thing, which is P0. So it will come into the Gantt chart. So 0 to 1 millisecond. So burst time for P0 will reduce from 10 to 9. And then after that, if we see, when the arrival time is 1, we have P0 and P1 in the Gantt chart. Sorry, ready queue. So P0 and P1, if we see, the priority of P1 is the highest. So P1 will get executed and burst time is 6. So P1 will be executed for 2 milliseconds. So now when the arrival time is 2, that time we again have only P0 and P1 in the ready queue. So if we see now, again P1 will be having the highest priority. So P1 will again get reduced and it will be from 6, 5 and again 4, because P1 is executed 2 times here if you see. And now if you see, when the arrival time is 3, that time we have P0, P1 and P2 in the ready queue. P0, P1 and P2. Now if we see, P2 has the highest priority 2, so P2 will be executed. So in this case we can say that P2 will be having the highest priority, so it will be reduced 2 times, 1, 0. So P2 is completely done, so P2 you can cancel it. And now if you see, the arrival time is 5. So when the arrival time is 5, we have almost everyone, P0, P1 and P3, as P2 is already been executed. So now we should see that P3, it has the highest priority. So P3 will get executed completely. So 5 plus 4, that is 9. So P3 will get executed and the P3 will get removed of the ready queue. Now we have only P0 and P1 in the ready queue. So which one has the highest priority? P1 has the highest priority, which is 4. So P1 will get executed completely. So minus 4, that will be 0. So 9 plus 4, that will be equals to 13. So after that, last we are left with 9. P0, that has having the burst time of 9. So 13 plus 9, that will be equals to 22. So using this, we can find out the completion time, turnaround time and even the wait time, and average turnaround time and average wait time also. I'll write down the formulas. Turnaround time is completion time minus arrival time, and wait time is turnaround time minus the burst time. So in this thing, there will be one problem, that is starvation, and the solution for that is aging. So this is one important concept to be known about priority scheduling if they ask you in exam. That's it. Thank you.